So we have today one of my favorite cars ever. It's a Volkswagen GTI. First edition was made in 1974, like me, that's the year I was born. Basic concept was pretty simple, small car with a fun, powerful engine that goes fast. So they have kept that same philosophy for 50 years, and now this is a 2014 GTI with a 2.0 turbocharged engine, which is really good. It's a very fun car. The two things that have to be taken into account always with GTIs are number one, timing chain. Timing chain. Between 70 and 80,000 miles, depending on how well you have maintained it. If you have done it oil over 5,000 miles, typically it will last you a little bit longer. If you have followed Volkswagen's really bad advice on oil over 10,000 miles, it's going to snap a little bit sooner. So proactively, it's a good idea to do it before you hit 100,000 miles for sure. That's number one. Number two, if you have an automatic DSG transmission, do transmission and filter fluid every 50,000 miles. Don't let it go over 50. The clutches are pretty elegant in a DSG transmission, so they have to be protected with clean fluid and a clean filter every 50,000 miles. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do the timing chain. Basically the same process we've done with other 2.0 turbocharged engines, E8888, same design, very similar process. I just wanted to show you that that job being done on a GTI. All right, let's go. Okay, so here we go. Here's the timing chain kit for this GTI. Engine AE888, 4-cylinder turbocharged. We know this engine extremely well. It contains all the different chains, oil pan gasket, timing covers, tensioners, rollers, sprockets, the best sealant, which is this HUCL sealant, camshaft bridge, because as you know, the little mesh in there always breaks and causes oil pressure issues. So this is all set to go in here. We're gonna get started. As you know, the job entails moving all the top part of the engine. Here's where the timing chain lives, so we're gonna move this away, change the timing chain, replace all the timing covers, so on and so forth. Final touch in this car, she has a beautiful German style plate because she has the car named. So we're gonna be working on Scotty today. Okay, so now we are done with the timing chain. As you can see, the guys are new all the way to the bottom. Timing chains are obviously new also. Look at the new design. We like that design. It has dual links in there. Now we're gonna put them in its place in the sprockets, put it all together, and we should be good to go. Okay, now our timing chain is completed. Listen to this engine. Beautiful. New timing covers, no leaks anywhere. Look at that, coolant brand new. Of course, man filter. She is in great shape. And his name is Scotty.